Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over how to use DG rewards, and then I'm also going to give y'all an awesome deal that y'all can do at Dollar General this week using DG rewards, where we are going to get some super cheap bottled water. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, we're just going to do kind of a quick overview of DG rewards. So of course y'all need to know where to find them. You can find these in your Dollar General app under the Wallet tab. So once you locate your DG rewards in the Wallet tab, you want to click on the plus sign and enroll in all of your DG rewards. And as you can see in the picture on your screen here, once you have enrolled, it will actually tell you that this has been added to your account. So you want to go ahead, make sure that you enroll, that way you don't miss out on any deals. Now, once you've enrolled in your DG rewards, you want to click on the individual rewards and read the fine print to find out all of the details, because each DG reward is different. Some of them are spend rewards, or you have to spend a certain amount in order to earn a coupon back on those products, and others are a buy reward, where you have to buy a certain number of a product in order to earn that reward. Now the question is, how do we earn these rewards? Well, you have already enrolled in all of your DG rewards, so you are good to go there. Next step is to go to Dollar General, purchase those products, and make sure that you type in your phone number at the register. That way Dollar General can track your progress toward earning your reward. So I've received this question in the past on DG rewards. Do you have to spend the total amount in one transaction, or do you have to buy the certain number of products in one transaction in order to earn your DG reward? So basically, do you have to do it all at once? No, you do not. Dollar General will track your progress over time, and you can work toward this Dollar General reward up until the date it expires. Now, once you've completed a DG reward, you will receive a coupon on your account within 24 hours. So on your screen here is an example of what the DG reward coupons will look like. I recently completed the Clover Valley Water DG reward, so I received this coupon on my account within 24 hours, and it is $3.50 off towards your next purchase of $3.51 or more on Clover Valley purified drinking water. Now, when you receive these DG reward coupons, they will automatically be clipped to your account. So when you go to open up your account to find your DG reward coupon, you want to look in your saved coupons folder. Now, I also wanted to mention that these DG reward coupons are DG store coupons, so they can be stacked with other manufacturer coupons. Now, if you guys want to learn more about how to stack coupons at Dollar General, I did put together a video going over all the ins and outs of how to stack coupons at DG. So I will leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below if you want to go and check it out. Alright guys, so there's your quick overview of DG rewards. Now we're going to get into this awesome deal that y'all can do this week at Dollar General and come out with some really cheap Clover Valley bottled water. So this week at DG, we have a sale on the Clover Valley 24 packs of bottled water. So these are on sale this week, 2 for $8. And we also have a DG reward for earn $3.50 towards your next purchase of $3.51 or more on Clover Valley purified drinking water when you spend a total of $15 or more on participating products. Now, I do want to mention that this DG reward does expire on Wednesday, so you guys need to do this deal by Wednesday in order to get your DG store coupon back for $3.50 off. Now, that coupon will not expire until April the 29th, so you'll have a couple more days to go back into Dollar General to be able to use that DG reward before it expires. So I've put together a couple little breakdowns for you all. So what you want to do is pick up 4 of the 24 packs of Clover Valley bottled water for $16. Keep in mind they're on sale this week, 2 for $8. Then within 24 hours, you're going to get back that $3.50 DG store coupon. Remember, y'all can find those in your saved coupons folder because they are automatically already clipped to your account. So you're going to run back into Dollar General and you're going to pick up 2 of the 24 packs of Clover Valley bottled water for $8. You're going to use the $3.50 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4.50 out of pocket. So that is going to make your final price $20.50 for 6 24 packs of bottled water, making those $3.41 each. Now you're getting a total of 144 bottles of water, making those just 14 cents each. Now here's another way that y'all can take advantage of this deal. I just wanted to kind of give y'all a couple of options. Again, you want to go in and buy 4 of the 24 packs of Clover Valley bottled water at $16. And again, within 24 hours, you're going to get back that $3.50 DG store coupon. So you're going to go back into Dollar General and pick up 1 of the 24 packs of Clover Valley bottled water priced at $4.25. Use that $3.50 off coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 75 cents out of pocket. And that is going to make your final price $16.75 for 5 24 packs of the Clover Valley bottled water, making those $3.35 each. So in this deal, you're getting a total of 120 bottles, and again, that still makes those 14 cents each. Now, I am definitely going to be heading out to Dollar General today to take advantage of these deals. Keep in mind, the DG reward itself actually expires on the 27th, but once you hit that spend total, you're going to get back that $3.50 coupon, and that coupon doesn't expire until the 29th. So you'll have a couple of days to get back into Dollar General to use that DG store coupon. I know that times can get busy, and it's hard to get to the store sometimes, especially when we're on a time crunch with these coupons expiring. But I just wanted to go ahead and give y'all a heads up on this deal because I'm definitely going to go out and do it before it expires, and I'll probably do a $5 challenge while I'm at it. So you guys make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, just a quick update for this week. I will not be posting the good deals and glitch list video. We kind of have a little bit of traveling to do, so unfortunately, I'm not going to have time to put together all of those slides for you all this week. But if you're looking for some more deals to do at Dollar General this week, if you're looking for coupon matchups, prices, all of that good stuff, go back and watch the all new coupons and glitches video that I posted on Sunday. I will have that linked in the pinned comment down below, and then I also have a couple of deals that I'm going to be posting in the community tab. But that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab up some awesome deals this week. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And before you go, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way, a quick way, and an easy way that y'all can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.